My name is Evie Short, and welcome to Short Talks. Today we will be talking about tissue engineering. It is a specialized field within biomaterials that involves combining scaffolds, cells, and biologically active molecules into functional tissues. The goal is to assemble functional constructs that restore, maintain, or improve damaged tissues or even whole organs. Let's break that down to the basics. What is a stem cell? This is a stem cell. Not a real one, of course, but you get the idea. A stem cell is an undifferentiated cell, or a beginner cell. They're unique from other cells for two reasons. First, they are not specialized, and they're able to renew themselves through the process of cell division, even after long periods of inactivity. And second, under certain circumstances, they can be manipulated into becoming other types of cells, such as cells in your eyes, muscle cells, cells in the digestive system, or even neurons. These are the cells that we see when a baby is first forming in the womb, about 3 to 5 days after fertilization. Stem cells are extremely important because unlike other cells, they're able to reproduce seemingly without limit. This gives the body the ability to heal itself. These cells are crucial to tissue engineering. Why? Because if tissue engineers can find a way to manipulate these cells, they can create any type of cell that someone might need. Building tissues can be compared to building houses. Let's say you want to build a house, and you have someone who specializes in windows and doors, but they don't know how to build the walls, or the roof, or install any of the plumbing. Even if it's spectacular windows and doors, it wouldn't be much of a house, would it? The same goes with tissues. This is why tissue engineers need to work together, because if one specializes in a certain area, he needs the others in order to create the whole house, or in this case, the whole tissue. Similarly, engineers cannot just build a single tissue and implant it directly into a living organism. Why is this? Well, the body may reject the tissue, or the tissue may not function properly with all the other tissues and cells within the organism. Stem cells can help with this too. By using an individual's own unique stem cells, we can create a tissue that is specifically adapted to that individual. With this method, there's a greater probability that the body will accept the tissue. But when you create the tissue, you must also create the environment. Another analogy would be like going to a town that has a high percentage of juvenile delinquents and trying to find the factors that led them to these choices. You take a survey of the grades, attendance, and behavior of all the elementary kids to find out if they're factors. But you don't look at their home lives, or their financial situation, or even the neighborhood that they grew up in. You can't just look at a single factor, you have to look at the environment as a whole. The same thing goes with tissues. You can't simply build a tissue and implant it. You must also build the environment that tissue needs to thrive. Stem cells are an incredibly important part of a tissue engineer's job, and without them, this innovative field might not be possible. If you want to learn more about stem cells, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching Short Talks!